Welcome back, Weekend Warriors. I'm Brian Hayes with Rust-Oleum, and this is the ZINSSER Project Workshop. Today's topic is what primer to choose when you don't know what primer to choose. Introducing ZINSSER Smart Prime. So the benefits of ZINSSER Smart Prime are whether it's interior or exterior, brick, wood, or anything in between, it's the ultimate undercoat for all primer projects. I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to apply to a few different substrates. So make sure you first saturate your roller. And then I'm going to apply a thin, even, uniform coat to the brick. And you can see how this is sealing the surface and preparing it for a top coat. Now I'm going to move on to an unsealed wood panel door. And again, this is the perfect primer to seal the surface and prepare it for a top coat. I'm getting the benefits of an oil-based primer with a quick dry time and the convenience of a water base. Be sure to follow the instructions before beginning your project. For more information on ZINSSER Smart Prime, visit rustoleum.com.au. I'm Brian Hayes. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.